Today we will be doing the last part of unboxing on the Unicorn Explosion Sensory Tub. We found this at Michael's from the craft store. I've already gotten the party slime, made it all fancy, and we got the butter slime and the see-through slime. The butter slime is super fun, just so it's super satisfying to play with and smells like banana. Then we have the purple slime, which is super fun too. It's super stretchy and ooey and gooey. I love it. And this one smells super grapey. But we still have to unbox the ocean slime and the peach slime. So are you ready to do it? Let's get on with the video. We have these two slimes. They are pre-made. And then we have a bunch of add-ons. We have these. And even these. I'm not sure if we're going to use these today, but we might do it in another video. Who knows? Okay then, let's get started. I am going to quickly get one container to make sure I put them in. Okay then, we got both of our containers and we're gonna start opening. First, our beautiful teal slime. Ooh, it smells like blueberry. Whoa. Look at that stretch. Whoa. I love it. This one is going to go in this container because in this container, it looks like the water in the ocean. So cool, right? I'm going to take out the rest of this blue slime. Ooh, I love it, I love it, I love it. Ooh, it's so good. And then we're just going to put the rest right there and plop it down. And who knew? Now we have a sea of blue slime. And now let's open the peaches. Let's see how this one smells. Oh, it smells so good. Whoa, look at that stretch. Look at the color too, it's super sparkly. And we're gonna put that in the pink cup. Whoa, it matches. You probably think that's a lot of slime. There's still more. Woo! Yeah. And there we go. That's all the slime that I can get out for now. But now, it's time to decorate them. So what should I do first? I think that we should add a bit more glimmer to this one. Let's go ahead and put that in the cup. And let's go ahead and add a couple unicorn sequins. go 1, 2, 3, and 4. And there we go. And now let's mix it together and see if we can see those magical horned creatures. Let's mix it around and whoa, do you guys see them? Because I can see them. Just put it back into the cup. And now I know exactly what to put in the ocean slime. Seashells, of course. Ocean slime cannot be good without seashells. We're just going to do a random spoonful. Woo! Whee! And I think that's good for now. Now I'm going to pick up this super cool ocean slime. And whoa, you can see the shells. That's so cool. I love it. Now it's time to do a bit more addition. I'm going to add some more seashells because that's what sea slime is. Just going to take another bit and go whee! All the way to the ocean. So cool! Now, I think we should add a little foamy blue as an ocean wave. Whoop! We're going to just plop that right in. And then we're just going to whee! You can see it. I don't know about you guys, but I love it. Okay, and now let's add a couple blue pom-poms. Whoa, orange tried to escape. Gonna add 1, we're gonna add, whoa, 2, we're gonna add 3, we're gonna add 4, and we are gonna add 5 and 6, but last but not least, 7. And then we're gonna close this and mix them in. And put it back in the container. I think we've done enough with that. It's time to add some more Shazam to the pink slime. We're just going to add a little bit of purple and mix it in. And you know what? I think that's all for now.